Get ready, start. Mr. Deputy Speaker, Sir, I thank you for giving me time to speak even at this late hour. I am supporting the demands of the Ministry of Food and Civil Supplies. The ministry has the responsibility to provide food to the people all over the country, and I am happy to say that it is discharging this responsibility efficiently. The public distribution system has a great role to play in controlling the prices of essential commodities. This is one of the important items in the Prime Minister's 20-point program. It is the duty of the government to provide food at fair prices to the poor people, and the policy of the government is to open fair price shops in all nooks and corners of the country. I find that the number of fair price shops has steadily gone up over a period of time. For example, in 1979, we had 3 lakh fair price shops, which have increased to 4 lakhs in 1987. 78% of these shops are in the rural areas, which shows the government's concern about the people in the rural areas. But in this context, I want to draw the attention of the government to the complaints that many things are not available in the fair price shops in the rural areas. Therefore, the government must monitor the distribution of the food grains which it supplies. Another point I want to make in this connection is that the government should increase the number of items distributed through the fair price shops. For example, pulses are very essential for nutritious diet. Therefore, pulses should also be distributed through fair price shops. The central government has a scheme to provide financial assistance to the Civil Supplies Corporation in northeastern states, Sikkim, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, etc., for the construction of godowns. There was a demand from Kerala for similar aid, but it has not been considered. Therefore, I would request the Honorable Minister to consider favorably the request from the Kerala Civil Supplies Corporation for assistance to construct godowns in the state. It is one of the most important duties of the Department of Food and Civil Supplies to control the prices of essential commodities. I must say in this context that there has been very heavy price rise in respect of fruits and vegetables throughout the country.